Hello guys, this is the first official video of this channel. I will be sharing with you on how to prepare this wonderful delicacy, popularly known as Afang soup by the African Ibibos. This wonderful Afang delicacy is best served with fufu. So here are the recipe and the complete process used in preparing Afang soup. So the first ingredient is our Afang. It's well grinded. Then we'll have a palm oil. We have our water leaf, well chopped. We have our cow skin and smoked fish. Then we have our beef. We have our crayfish, well pounded. And we have our mfi periwinkle. Then we have our pepper, well grinded. And we have our seasoning cubes. That's our salt. So these are all the recipe used in preparing this Afang soup. So first of all, we'll steam our meat. We now pour in our periwinkle. We go into our seasoning. With your chopped onions, so that it will give it a nice taste. You place a pot on the fire. Then here is your stock. Then you go introduce your pepper, your blended pepper. You go in with your palm oil. Introduce your seasoning cubes to taste. Introduce your salt to taste as well. Then you cover it to come to a boil, so that the ingredients will be incorporated for like 10 minutes. Then you go in with your water leaf. And give it a very good stir. Make sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. And allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. As you can see, then you introduce your Afang, which is a major recipe for this special delicacy. After putting your Afang, we give it a very good stir. You have to be careful while stirring so that the fish inside will not scatter. Then you introduce your crayfish at the end of the cooking, so that it will have a very delicious taste. I love my afang very oily, so I introduce a little bit of oil for the second time. Then you cover it and allow to boil for 5 minutes. And your afang is ready to be served with your fufu. Wow, what a mouth-watering afang! As you can see, it's ready to. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.